Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Live 360. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to get the most out of this app and keep your family connected. Let's get started. First, if you do not already have Live 360 installed, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app and you will be prompted to create an account if you are a new user. Now, to create your account, you will need to enter your phone number, name, email address, and then set a password. Once all your details are in, Life 360 will create your account and you will be ready to go. Now, before we dive into the app, let's talk about circles in Life 360. A circle is a private group where everyone shares their location with each other in real time. For example, you can create a circle for your family, friends, or specific group like coworkers. Once your account is set up, you will land on Homepage, and the default tab you will see at the bottom is Location tab. This is where you will see a map showing your current location as well as real-time locations of everyone in your circle. Now, to add someone in your circle, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and you will see an option to add a person. Tap on it and Life 360 will generate a unique invite code that you can share with your family or friends to have them join your circle. And you can see other two options, add items and add places. You can also add items by connecting devices like Tile to the app. This allows you to track personal items like keys, wallets, or even your pet all within Life 360. And you can also add a place, and then you will get notified whenever someone is in your circle, arrives, or leaves that specific location, like home, work, or school. Now let's look at the top of the homepage. In the top left corner, you will find settings icon. This is where you can manage all the important features of Life 360, such as privacy controls, notifications, settings, and the members of your circle. Now in the top right corner, you will see the inbox icon, and this is where all your app notifications and updates will appear. And just below this inbox, there's a message icon, which lets you send messages directly to the people in your circle, making it easy to stay in touch without switching to another messaging app. And at the top, you can see a bar, click on it, and from the drop down, you can see we have two options. The first is create a circle and the other is join a circle. So you can create your own circle and you can also join a circle by entering the code. Now let's move to the driving tab, which is right next to the location tab at the bottom. This tab provides detailed driving report for everyone in your circle. It shows information like top speed, hard braking, rapid acceleration, and even phone usage while driving. Next we have is the safety tab. This section is focused on protecting you and your loved ones. One of the key features here is crash detection, which alerts you if someone in your circle has been involved in a car accident, allowing you to respond quickly. The SOS feature is another important tool in the case of an emergency. You can press and hold the SOS button, which will notify everyone in your circle and send your exact location. This feature is great for added peace of mind. The final tab here we have is Membership tab, where you can explore different subscription plans that Life 360 offers. The free plan includes basic features like location sharing, while the premium plans unlock additional features such as advanced driving reports, emergency dispatch, and priority support. Depending on your needs, you can choose the plan that works best for your family or group to access extra safety measures and benefits. And there you have it. And that's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.